Okay, right, further mathematicians, this is question 10 from your homework. It's to show that question with a little bit extra because we have to find A and B that are given to us. Okay, I've got the standard formulas that you should know at the top there. I'm going to use them in this question. So first of all, let's start with the left-hand side. And we've got the sum from r equals 1 to n of, well, let's just expand this straight away. R squared as 5r as 6, and this is equal to the sum from r equals 1 to n of r squared, add 5 lots of the sum from 1 to n of r, add 6 lots of the sum from r equals 1 to n of 1. Remembering that we can split the summation, it is associative over addition. You know, you just do the sum of the first term and the sum of the second term. And the constants can come out. So 5, right outside of the sum, 5 lots of the sum is the same as doing 5 of each of the terms. And this last one, lots of people forget this last one is 6. So the sum of 6, like that, is the same as 6 lots of the sum of 1. And now I can just sub in my formulas. So n over 6, n plus 1, 2n plus 1, add 5 lots of n over 2, n plus 1. Remembering the sum from 1 to n of 1 is n lots of 1, which is n, so 6n. Right, now at this stage, I would be looking at the show that, and I'd say, okay, 1/3 n is a factor, and I'm going to take 1/3 n out of the equation. So, the way I think about this is to say, the n over 3 is out. Now let's think what needs to go inside so that when I expand it with n over 3, I get this first term. Well, there's an n plus 1 and a 2n plus 1. That's definitely got to be there. And then something needs times to make the n over 6. Now I've got the n, but it's over 3. So I need to times the denominator by 2, so it's going to be 1/2 then. And then if I expand that out, I'll get n over 6. In this next term, well, the n is already out. So I don't need to write that. The n plus 1, so now times then I've got n times n plus 1. But it's over 3, and I've got it over 5 over 2. So what times by 1/3? Basically I'm doing this in my head. Something times by 1/3 gives me 5 over 2. Well, 5. So I mean, this is a bit annoying, but really we can rearrange it and say that the question mark is 10 over 2, which is not correct. 15 over 2. So 15 over 2. If I do 15 over 2 times with a 3, it would be 15 over 6. 15 over 6 is the same as 5 over 2. And the 6n, well, the n's already come out. Something times by 1/3 gives 6, well, that's 18. And then I've got my n over 3 out, and I can just deal with all of the inside. So, this is going to give me 1/2 lots of 2n squared, add 3n, add 1, add 15 over 2, n, add 15 over 2, add 18. n squared, add 3 over 2n, add 1 half, add 15 over 2n, add 15 over 2, add 18. And it's just collecting like terms now, so n over 3, just the 1n squared, n over 3 over 2n, 15 over 2n, which is 18 over 2n, which is 9n. One half add 15 over 2, so that's 16 over 2, which is 8. 8 add 18 is 24. 26, sorry. So, there we have it. A equals 9, B equals 26.